Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 1, we looked at the first few ways to stop frost and ice from forming on your trailer truck. Now let's finish the list with more expert tips to keep your truck running safely in freezing conditions. Checking for ice on critical components. Not all ice is obvious. Thin layers on brakes or hidden patches under the trailer can cause big problems. Focus on these key areas every morning or after long stops. Brakes. Ice on drums, pads or airlines reduces stopping power. Look for frost near slack adjusters and valves. Tires. Check treads and sidewalls for ice buildup. Even small amounts throw off balance at high speeds. Undercarriage. Ice loves to collect on axles, springs and frame rails. A flashlight helps spot hidden chunks. Coupling points. Fifth wheels and trailer jaws freeze fast. A little ice here can delay hookups or cause dangerous shifts. Door seals. Frozen trailer doors won't close properly. Rubbery seals get stiff and crack if ice isn't cleared. A stiff brush or rubber mallet clears most buildup fast. Don't assume a quick glance is enough. Get low and check from multiple angles. Using de-icing sprays. De-icing sprays work when you're in a hurry, but not all are safe for truck parts. Alcohol-based sprays melt ice fast without damaging metal or rubber. Avoid salt-based products. They corrode brake lines and electrical connectors. How to apply them right? Shake the bottle well. Separation reduces effectiveness. Spray from 6 to under 12 inches away. Too close wastes product. Too far misses spots. Target problem areas. Brake components, latches and hinges get priority. Wait 1-2 minutes before wiping. Let the formula break down the ice. Top picks for truckers. CRC Ice Off Professional. Safe for brakes and doesn't leave residue. Lucas Slick Mist. Works below zero and protects against refreezing. Polar Max Heavy Duty. Thick gel clings to vertical surfaces like door seals. Keep a spray bottle in your cab for mid-route touch-ups. Just remember, de-icing sprays are a quick fix, not a replacement for coatings or heated parts. The best defense against ice is consistency. 10 minutes of focused checks each morning saves hours of headaches later. Best practices for on-the-road prevention. Frost and ice don't just form overnight. They build up mile by mile in cold conditions. But with smart habits, drivers can minimize accumulation while on the move. Small adjustments to parking and weather monitoring make a big difference in keeping trailers ice-free. Parking strategies to avoid ice accumulation. Where you park matters as much as how long you stop. Exposure to wind and open skies speeds up ice formation. So choose spots that block the elements. Sheltered areas. Park near buildings, trees, or hills that break the wind. Even a partial barrier cuts down on frost buildup. Wind breakers. Portable wind fences or trailer skirts reduce airflow under and around the trailer, keeping critical components drier. Avoid low ground. Cold air sinks, meaning valleys and depressions trap moisture. Higher elevation spots stay slightly warmer. For overnight stops, angled parking can help too. Facing the trailer's doors away from prevailing winds keeps hinges and seals clearer. Monitoring weather conditions. Weather apps are useful, but truckers need real-time updates tailored to their route. A sunny start can quickly turn into freezing rain or heavy snow. Here's how to stay ahead. Use truck-specific weather tools. Apps like Trucker Path or Weather Underground show granular conditions for highways, not just cities. Watch for flash freeze alerts. Sudden temperature drops turn wet roads into ice rinks in minutes. Adjust speed or pull over if needed. Check bridge and overpass temps first. These freeze faster than ground-level roads. If your app shows bridge temps near freezing, assume black ice. Set reminders to check forecasts every few hours during winter hauls. Even a 10-minute delay can mean the difference between clearing a mountain pass or getting stuck in a chain-up zone. A little planning goes a long way. Park smart, watch the sky, and keep moving safely through the cold. Technology and tools for frost prevention. Modern tools make fighting frost and ice easier than ever. Instead of spending hours scraping, you can use automated systems and smart alerts to stay ahead of winter's worst. Here's how today's tech keeps trailers clear with less effort. Automated de-icing systems. These systems take the guesswork out of ice prevention. They detect moisture and cold temperatures, then activate heating elements to stop buildup before it happens. No more waking up to a frozen trailer. How they work. Sensors monitor conditions on the trailer's surface. At a set temperature, the system triggers heating pads or sprays. Heat spreads evenly across critical areas like door seals, brakes, and undercarriages. Benefits for truckers. Saves time. No manual scraping or spraying required. Prevents surprise ice. Works overnight or during long stops. Energy efficient. Only activates when needed, saving battery power. Popular options include aftermarket kits for existing trailers or factory-installed systems on newer models. The upfront cost pays off in fewer delays and lower repair bills from ice damage. Mobile apps for real-time alerts. Weather changes fast on the road. Freezing rain can hit halfway through your shift, turning dry pavement into a hazard. Smartphone apps give drivers a heads-up before conditions worsen. Top apps for frost and ice alerts. MyRadar shows live radar with freeze alerts for your exact route. WeatherBug tracks temperature drops and black ice risks in real time. Trucker Path combines weather updates with parking availability and road conditions. Set up custom alerts for temperature dips below freezing. Road spray. Freezing on your trailer. High wind chill increasing frost risk. Push notifications mean you won't miss a warning, even while driving. Pair these with automated de-icing systems, and winter becomes just another season, not a constant battle. Tech won't eliminate ice entirely, but it shifts the odds in your favor. The less time you spend cleaning off your rig, the more time you spend moving freight. Winter doesn't have to mean constant battles with ice and frost. By taking preventive steps, like applying anti-ice coatings, installing heated components, and parking strategically, you can cut down on buildup before it becomes a problem. Daily checks and de-icing sprays keep small issues from turning into big delays. Tech helps too. Automated systems and real-time weather alerts give you an edge, so you're not caught off guard. Whether you're a solo driver or managing a fleet, these habits save time, reduce risks, and keep trailers rolling safely. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 tips from this video and make them part of your routine. The more you prevent ice, the smoother winter runs will be. Stay safe out there. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.